Bread in the oven, bacon. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican. Bread in the oven, bacon. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Now, if you're new to my channel and you watch me cooking up this banana porridge in my kitchen for the very first time, make sure that you have subscribed. Follow me here, guys. Like. Share my recipes with friends and family. And yeah, come on and let's get this recipe started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know him no obligation but you owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Okay, goodie, let's get right into this banana porridge recipe that you have requested, right? I'm gonna walk you through all the ingredients what you are gonna need to make the meanest banana porridge in your kitchen to impress your neighbors and your friend. Whoever you want to impress, right? Now let's get into the green bananas first. I have 3 green bananas, right? So 3, however you want to terminate it, right? So I got 3 of those right there. Now, to make a fast, easy and simple banana porridge, you could go ahead and put it in the blender. Blend it up real nice, peel off the skin of course. Blend it up real good. Add your coconut cream and your cornstarch or your flour, whichever you want to need. Just blend up them 3 things at first in the blender. And yeah, that's the easy way to make a banana porridge, right? Now I'm going to go the hard way of grating mine this morning. Now, of course, you're going to need your coconut cream. You're going to need cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, substitute it with flour. You're going to need vanilla, sweetened condensed milk right here, cinnamon powder, nutmeg salt, cinnamon sticks, and cinnamon leaves. I'm going to need all of them to make my banana porridge taste nice and good up in my kitchen. Now, come on and let's get the bananas ready. I'm going to go ahead and grate that and show you my next step. But like I said before, you can also throw it in the blender and blend it up until it comes nice and smooth. Okay, goodies, so now that I have my bananas all grated nicely, and like I said before, you could go ahead and put it in your blender and blend it and make it easier. The process will be fast, easy, and simpler, alright? Now, goodie, I have 3 cups of water in that pot. You want to make sure before you add your grated banana into that pot, that water is boiling, like bubbling, right? So go ahead and we add our bananas in. And when you add the bananas in, you start stirring immediately. Because if you don't do that, those bananas are going to get lumpy. And we don't want lumpy porridge at no time. So I'm going to allow that to bubble and boil for about, I'll say 5 minutes, right? 5 to 7 minutes. And I'll come right back here and add the coconut cream and all that other stuff. Okay, y'all, I have my coconut cream right there, and I have about 1.5 cups of coconut cream, right? Now to that, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of cornstarch to it. Just make sure that there's absolutely no lumps into this porridge. We don't need them lumps. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that mixture, the coconut and the cornstarch mixture into the porridge, right? Now the trick to this without getting lumpy porridge, you want to make sure that you are stirring really well. If you stop stirring, you're going to definitely use some lumpy porridge. And if the porridge is too thick, you just go ahead and add coconut cream or water to it. I'm going to add my cinnamon sticks, my cinnamon leaves, vanilla, nutmeg, of course, turn it up a big notch, salt to flavor. You can have porridge without salt, well you can, and cinnamon powder. This is going to give it all the flavor that I need. I'm going to turn this fire down, y'all, on medium heat. And I'm going to allow this thing to cook properly and thoroughly for about 30 minutes on medium heat. And when we come back, like I saw, my banana porridge should be ready. Okay, goodie, it's been 30 minutes since I've been cooking my banana porridge. And that is really, really nice. See, there's no lumps, absolutely no lumps in this porridge. That's exactly how I want it to be. Now, when you're getting ready to sweeten your porridge, this and all porridge, you want to make sure that you turn off your fire. Turn it off. After you turn it off, give it about 2 minutes and then you come back to sweeten it. Uncovered, of course. Now, after 2 minutes, right there is my sweetened condensed milk. Use whatever kind of milk that you want to sweeten it with. Anything, sugar, whatever, honey, but I'm using sweetened condensed milk, and you sweeten as needed. Give it a nice little spin, and yeah, your banana porridge is all done right here. Jamaican banana porridge. Here we go, guys. I am all done. The recipe that you have requested. Banana porridge in my kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. I hope you have enjoyed watching me cooking this recipe. It's so tasty, y'all. You have to give this one a try. Thumbs up, like, and share. Make me know where you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.